6.
All of our local cities are dealing with budget shortfalls following the COVID-19 closures and cancellations. Newswatch 12's ALICIA Rubin has been digging into the impacts of some of our larger cities in Southern Oregon. On Newswatch 12 at 4, we took an in-depth look at the impact in Medford. On Newswatch 12 at 5, we saw the impacts in Ashland. ALICIA now looks at the financial impact for Grants Pass.
Lodging taxes play a large role in our local city budgets. Some cities will be hit harder than others. Grants Pass says they'll be okay and they have a plan to make up some of that shortfall.
In the short term, we're all right, and we'll be able to continue providing services. We'll just have a little less flexibility.
Grants Pass lodging tax is split multiple ways. The largest chunk of that tax revenue, about 30%, goes to tourism. 16% goes to public safety, another 16% to parks, another 16% to projects related to parks and tourism, and 12% goes to economic development downtown. The city is projecting they'll lose 30% of that tax revenue. They plan to cover that loss by dipping into discretionary funds.
We are in a position where we can use more of those. It just gives us less flexibility to adapt to the needs of the community.
Some of the loss in tourism stems from cancellations, but those cancellations also provide a way for the city to save money.
We should see some savings there, things like Back to the 50s or our 4th of July celebration and Boatnik.
Those annual events aren't the only things that bring tourists to Grants Pass. Things like boating, fishing, rafting can all still happen while maintaining social distancing. With all that being said, the city of Grants Pass did say they will be watching projections closely and they will monitor that and adjust accordingly if needed. Reporting from home, ALICIA Rubin, Newswatch 12.